So let me show you how to use interval shooting mode on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into the camera app of your OnePlus 15, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner, you should see something called interval shooting. So basically what this does is it takes photos at intervals you've set, and it's going to take as many shots as you want. So once you set it up, you can set your phone on a tripod and go and pose, make different poses, and it's going to shoot all those photos. So let's set one up, a quick one. So the number of shots, let's have a maximum of 5. Let's have the minimum, which is 5 shots. You need to enable this first. So I'm gonna take 5 shots. Of course, you can take up to 600 shots if you want to. So 30, 40, the number you want. I'm gonna leave it at 5, and then you can choose the intervals for these shots. So the default is 3 seconds. I'm gonna increase that to about 5 seconds. Then once you set your phone up on a tripod or something, you just tap on the shutter button and see what happens. So it's gonna count down, take the first shot, count down again, take the next shot. We set it to take 5 shots. So that's 3. It's counting the 4th one, and then the 5th one. There you go, and it's done. So that's basically how to set up and use interval shooting on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.